Hey guys, first I want to say we have a disclaimer. We received this item for free in exchange for our honest review. All opinions are our own. Hi, I'm Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com.
I'm Jeffrey Rhoades.
Hiding back here behind the Espresso.
Not espresso. Espresso.
I knew I was going to say that wrong.
Most people do.
Yes. Okay. This is a 5-pack that is great for a stocking stuffer or a gift for the coffee lover in your life. And I'm going to let Jeff talk about these because he is the coffee drinker.
Just a little bit more.
Okay. He is the coffee drinker. I am not the coffee drinker. So I'm going to let him talk about all of this. You do need a Nespresso original machine in order to use these. So be sure if you buy them for yourself, that is the machine you have, or that the person you buy them for does have that type of machine. These will not work at all in a Keurig. Did I say that right?
Keurig, yes.
Yes. So be sure you have the right machine if you buy these.
Each box is 10 aluminum capsules. It is espresso, which means it's a concentrated coffee rather than your standard brew. This is the variety pack, and okay, this first one, this is the Colombian. It's listed as an intensity 8. And it's complex tangy. So the flavoring is more of a tangy flavor. At least that's what it says on the box, and so, but it's a milder brew. It's a medium roast. Okay.
Because we don't know a lot about coffee, but I knew...
Not that one yet.
Not that one yet. I knew that some of you out there that love coffee would absolutely love these, and that these would be a fantastic gift with the holidays coming up. So,
and some of you probably know a lot more about the coffee than I do. So, you know.
Yes, and these would be great to have on hand for those unexpected holiday guests too. So,
yeah.
Okay.
This one's the Profundo. It's also an intensity 8, so medium brew, or medium roast. And this one says it's intense spicy.
Ooh, spicy coffee. Now that sounds good.
Spicy coffee. Okay. This one's the Lor Absolu. I think that would be like absolute gold. Would be translation, maybe.
Maybe.
That one's, it's actually an intensity 9, so we're getting
more
into
intense.
the more intense, a darker roast. And this one is a strong, savory flavor.
Oh.
Then we come to the Rosetto. No, Rosetto. Yeah, Rosetto. Sorry. This one is an intensity 11, so we're getting into a very dark roast.
Dark, yes.
And it's a nutty, complex flavoring.
Oh.
These are sounding good to you, aren't they?
They are sounding really
the
good.
The non-coffee drinker is getting interested in the coffee.
Well, because I know a little bit about the different roast because of my roasting of cacao pods. Mm-hmm. Not pods, I'm sorry, seeds. The seeds come in a pod, and I'm used to talking about the pods, and so I do know a little bit about roasting.
And this is Onyx.
Oh, that has to be a really dark.
Intensity 12.
Oh.
So yes, very dark, intense, powerful.
Oh.
So that one's going to be a very strong, very dark roast. Kind of the type of stuff that I would probably like to drink. I tend to go.
He's the coffee drinker. Doesn't drink a lot, but he's the coffee drinker.
Yeah. But I like the stronger,
The stand your spoon up in the coffee cup.
yeah, more of that type of
Yeah.
thicker, so the Onyx would possibly be something that I really might want to test out and see. Just it's making me think the way it's described as maybe a Turkish coffee.
Okay.
Which is a very strong, dark roast, intense. You drink it in very small, amounts.
Yes.
Which espresso is generally a smaller serving size because it's a more potent coffee.
Now these did come in a small box, just like this.
Yep.
So technically, if you wanted to give this entire pack to someone as a gift, you could just take the packing slip off of the outside and seal it up and wrap it. And I think this would make an absolute wonderful gift for that person in your life that does have an espresso machine.
Mm-hmm.
You get
your coffee connoisseur.
Yes.
Yeah. And especially the variety pack. You go on their website and you can find they've got like 5 packs of the various flavors as well that are available. So instead, you can get them a variety pack. They can choose which ones they like, and then they can go back in and they can order specifically those flavors, which I kind of like that style of, if you really like something, you can focus just on it and not have to keep buying a variety pack and not having
not having some you like and some you don't.
Yeah.
One thing that I had noticed when they had sent me the information about these, they did advertise a stocking stuffer set. I am not positive if that is what this is. We did try to look on the website. We did not see anything that said stocking stuffer. But again, the box sizes of these really would fit. I mean, look at that. That would fit in a stocking very, very well. And, if you have 5 people that are coffee drinkers that you need stocking stuffers for, and you know that they have the Nespresso original machine, right here, there's your stocking stuffers all in a box. You can pick out the different types of coffee that each one likes. They can mix and match if you, give this one a dark roast and this one too light of a roast and it ends up being backwards. They could just swap them out. It's not a big deal. If you have an office or a place that makes coffee for everyone and you have an espresso original, this is ideal. Absolutely ideal. So I just thought this was a really cool idea. And, looking at this, they gave us 2 number 8s, a number 9, a number 11, and a number 12.
Yeah.
I had not realized that originally when I looked at these, but there they are.
That's what I was...
Yes.
When I was sorting through them, I was realizing, and that's why I held them up in a certain order, was because I had realized what they had given us.
Yes. And this does look like a really quality product. We obviously have not tried it yet because we wanted to do the unboxing video and bring you the product just as it would look if you ordered it for yourself. So that was our intent with this. So I hope you guys will subscribe. Please go check this product out. If you do and you buy some, let them know where you saw it at and how you found out about them. We would really appreciate that. I would also like to take a moment to tell you about our new membership on YouTube that we have. There's a join button right below this video. If you just click that, it will take you over to the information. And if you would like to join our private membership, go ahead and do that. There are a lot of exclusive benefits, and there are 3 different levels of membership for those of you that are interested. So please subscribe.
Leave some comments down below. Let us know how we did. Let us know what you're interested in.
And ask us questions. If you have questions about this product, leave that below, and I will see if I can find the answer for you. Yep.
So,
thanks for watching, and have a great night.
yeah, stay safe out there.